Let's learn how to unlike all your liked videos on TikTok. So if you've liked a bunch of videos on TikTok and want to unlike all of them, simply follow my steps and watch the video until the very end. First, you want to open the TikTok app on your iPhone or Android device and then go to your TikTok profile by clicking here. If you want to see the videos you've liked, simply tap on this little heart-shaped icon on the right side, and you will see a list of all your liked TikTok videos. We will learn how to unlike all of them now. You want to tap on the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen and then go to your settings and privacy. When we open the settings and privacy page, we will have a bunch of different options related to our TikTok account. Since TikTok doesn't give us an option to unlike all videos at once, we will have to use another method. What you want to do is to scroll all the way down and find this Report a Problem button. This way, we will contact the TikTok team directly and they will help us to unlike all of our videos. When we open the Report a Problem section, it's gonna look something like this, and we want to click on this follow/like/comment section. After this page loads, tap on the like section and expand it. Then tap on the other option. Under the Is Your Problem Resolved section, select No, and then you'll see this Need More Help option. That is what you want to click. It will open this page where we can explain our problem to the TikTok team and ask them to help us out in order to unlike all of our videos. Tell them that you want to unlike your liked videos and kindly ask them to help you. You can add other things that you want or need as well related to your TikTok profile, and when you submit a message, they should respond to you within a day or two and help you unlike all of your videos on TikTok at once. They are really good and fast at responding, so that shouldn't be a problem. And that's it for this video, everyone. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like on it and I'll see you in the next one.